Hi, lovely people. How are you? Let me know down in the comments below how your day is going. Mine's doing great because I was not expecting this. I got the winter 2019 FabFitFun box. I don't think I've seen anybody unbox this yet, so I am so excited. If you want to know what is in this winter 2019 box, then just keep on watching. All right. I remember doing add-ons, so I did get a few add-ons, but I think this is like really early. I don't remember getting it this early, like in November. Let me know in the comments down below. Did yours ship yet? Do you know when you're supposed to get it? But I'm not complaining. So let's see what exactly is in here. Now this box is pretty big, so let me figure out. I guess I'll put it over here where it's not blocking you guys. Let me cut the tape. I actually don't remember. I am an annual member, so I do get to customize. I think it was like 5 of them, but to be honest, I don't remember what it was. So when you open it up, let's see. That's what it looks like. You know what? Let me show you the box because I don't know. I mean, this box is really, really pretty. I don't know if I showed you guys the box. How pretty. And this is like really big. It's really big this season. This is $49.99. I have a code I'll leave down below. You can save $10 off. You can get it for $39.99 your first box. And this is definitely a seasonal box. All right, so then that's what it looks like. And it's pretty heavy too. So I'll put it over here to get it out of the way. All right, so the first thing is purple. What makes purple unlike any mattress? Okay, so this is just like a sample of what this mattress would feel like. It's a purple mattress. Okay, so that's just extra stuff. And we have these things here. This is $90. There's usually $80 off of HelloFresh, but this is $90. And this is save this for you. Take a moment for yourself. Get started. Okay, this is like saving money off the box. So then you get this pamphlet, which I love reading the pamphlet, and inside tells you how much everything is, what you're getting, and all of that stuff. So let me get to it. Okay. So then you have here, and it usually comes with a little sticker on here. All right, so here is a sneak peek of what the box would look like. Now, for the fall box, I wasn't very impressed. I'll leave that video down below if you want to check it out. So hopefully this is a little bit better. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out is this color switch. Now, I do remember picking this out. As I'm looking at it, I kind of can remember. I love color switches. If you don't know what this is when you're doing your eyeshadow and you can just kind of go in, you know, like switch it, you know, to get the eyeshadow off so you can keep using that same brush. So let me see where that's at, and then I can tell you, like, what the verities were. Okay. Oh. Hold the phone. I dropped something. All right, so that is 5C. So maybe everybody got this because that's the only C that I see. So maybe I don't remember. I thought I picked this, but maybe I didn't because this is in here a little bit different. Let me figure this thing out. I'll be right back. Okay, so I figured it out. So you could have either picked the Ahava salt bag, which I didn't pick that. You could have picked the Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub. I didn't want that. You could have picked the color switch or the color switch. And I don't know what's wrong with me. And I picked the color switch. And this is $16.99. All right. The next thing here is from Karuna. This is a Face for All face and eye mask set. Right there. And it looks like you get, how many do you get? Does it say? 6. Let me see. Let me read up on it. All right. Where you be? Where you be? I wish they had like things in order. That would really help me out. All right, I found it. So this is 3C, and this is $42. It's an age-defying face mask okay, it's just a face and eye mask. And you could have picked, let's see, the bracelet. And this is what the bracelet looks like right here. Really pretty. You could have picked the silk lashes, which I don't wear lashes. There are the lashes right there. You could have picked what I got, the face and eye mask, which I do enjoy that stuff. Or you could have picked the glow eye drops. Like, you know, it's like a highlighting drops, which I don't really use them. So that's why I picked that. Okay. The next thing I got is this by Cuchillo. This is a Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Wand and Body Wash. I don't remember if I picked this out. I'm not sure. Let me see. Okay, so it looks like you could have either got the Thirsty Hands, where it's like a glove that you know, for your hands, like a mask for your hands, or this. And this is what I got. So it's a body wash, hand and body wash. So I'll definitely put it to good use. The next thing is this Prep Rally. So this is a Prime and Prep Detangler right here from Dry Bar. And I believe, yeah, you could have got, yeah, everybody got this. All right, the next thing is this Makeup Eraser. This is full size, and I've gotten a few of these. So let's see, everybody got one of these, and these will be $20. This here, the Detangler, it's $23. And this is $20. So already, you definitely got your value in for this box. I really like it. All right. The next thing is, I love this. I got this, I think, in an Ipsy before, and I really like it. I believe I picked this. This is, it's like a melt, like a balm for your skin. And I love this for my feet and also for my elbows. I really like this a lot. That's why I like subscription boxes, because you get to pick things that you never heard of, because I never heard about this before. Okay, so this is 4B. So you could have got the, I'm not sure. I remember picking this. Or was this, I don't remember. Yeah, I think I picked this, because you could have got this. You could have got the Beauty Bakery eyeshadow palette, or you could have got the Sidekick crossbody bag, and I picked this. That's right, because for an add-on, I picked the Beauty Bakery eyeshadow palette. That's why I got confused. All right, this is what I am so excited. And this is heavy. This is what made the box heavy. Holy crap, how nice is this? This is like a blanket. I'm so excited to get this. Okay, you could have picked, let's see, this, which is the blanket, which is, where you be? There was a lot that you could have picked from. All right, this is $65. Holy crap. I can't wait to open this up. It feels so soft. Ah, look at that. Let's open this puppy up and see. Oh, look, I'm getting it all over me. So I'm not going to open it up because it'll go everywhere. But it feels so... I don't think I'd ever pay $65 myself, but I'm definitely excited to get it in this box. And it's definitely got some weight to it. So you could have got a Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. You could have got that blanket, which is $65. You could have picked the shampoo and conditioner, which was $64. You could have picked a candle. Or you could have picked the Marble Beanie and Arm Warmer Set. So the hat and gloves. Okay. So last but not least are these slippers. Oh, I'm so excited for these. I definitely picked these. So you could have picked, how much, well, first of all, let me tell you how much. These are $45. I get my slippers at Walmart. I would never pay $45 for slippers. So you could have picked an eyelash conditioner, these, a cleansing clay mask, or a shower speaker. And I picked these. And I'm definitely going to open these up and see. I mean, they feel really, really good. They really do. And I'm excited to get these. I love slippers. And that's definitely everything in the box. So let's recap what we got. So I picked that I got the slippers, which is exciting. I got the makeup eraser. I got this detangler. I got this balm, which I'm excited for. I got the face and eye mask. I got, what you be? The hand and body wash. I got the color switch. And I got, if I can pick it up, hold on, because this puppy's heavy. This, which I am definitely going to lay with this 2 nights. And that's everything. Let me know in the comments down below. This is definitely, I think this is definitely a lot better. Definitely than the fall box. I am so excited about this box. I love everything. I think I definitely got my money's worth. But let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Do you think this season was better than the fall box? Do you not? Do you think it's worth $49.99? Let me know. I'm definitely excited to know if you guys have yours yet. Did yours ship? Let me know all the tea. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget, I do have a giveaway going on right now. I'll leave it right here and down below. So click on that link if you want to enter that. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget to rate this video, so either thumbs it up or thumbs it down. If you don't like FabFitFun, then make sure you give me a thumbs down. Dislike the video so that I know not to put this on our channel any longer. Make sure that you subscribe and turn that post notification bell on so you can be notified for all of my future videos and my giveaways. And that's everything, guys. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.